3 of the 4 are Coyamito agates from Chihuahua, Mexico. Ruff! And the 4th is a Laguna lace agate. And this thing is beautiful. The Laguna lace agate, I'm not worried about. This thing's gonna be awesome. If it's not, I'll be in absolute shock. But the Coyamito agates here, these ones, I'm a little nervous about. These 2 right here, when I take my Phoenix flashlight and I shine them, they glow. This one's a glower. This one has a lot of glow, but not as glowy as the last one. And then this really, really beautiful one, when I shine a light in it, there's hardly any glow because of that amazing husk that is going on in there. So here's my saw setup. I used the High-Tech Diamond 10-inch saw, and we're gonna start off with the most glowing Coyamito agate. So get that, fire up the saw. Let's see if it's all quartz inside like I think it is. Okay, folks, we'll do a quick reveal. It was kind of a quick cut, so I am anticipating that it is primarily quartz inside. I hope I'm wrong. I hope there's bands, but oh, what? Oh my gosh, it's a geode agate. Oh, I didn't expect that at all. That is awesome. Oh, and it's just like one band around the outside. Oh my gosh. That is so sweet. That's probably one of the best geode agates I've ever cut open. Oh, that makes me so happy. That is awesome. Up next, we have the other one, this guy. I'm gonna do a similar cut along this way. I think we got a chance. Look at that right there. Let me zoom in. Look at those eyes. What if it's just filled with eyes? That'd be sweet. Let's find out. Cut it open. Man, that scared the dickens out of me. I had a feeling it was gonna happen because when I did the glower test, you can see it right along there and there. There's a fracture. So I had a feeling that this was gonna happen when I cut through to that. I'm not even gonna look at what that looks like. I don't want there to be any sneaks of the potential of what's inside. We'll get back to cutting. Let's get my respirator and my ear protection in. The other side cracked off too. All right, let's check this out. I'm very, very excited. Oh, I think it's gonna be awesome. Oh, it's another geode. Look at how that runs across. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Oh, and this side, it's almost, oh, it's interesting. It's like smoky quartz. It's very dark, and I got a fun idea of what to do with these ones. That is so, so pretty. But we got a couple more cuts to make. This guy right here, you can see it's kind of thin, and this is the cut we're gonna make right through here. I'll show you what it looks like inside. Pretty easy cut. Only took, I'd say, a minute and a half for that. I should probably add, this is the first time I've ever cut Coyamito agates. So we get to experience to join these for the first time together. Whoa. So let's check this bad boy out. Let's see if we can go 3 for 3. Let's get a turkey on studs here. Oh yeah. It's different, but it is packed with some really unique details. Oh, that's so pretty. That's so fun down here. I'm glad I didn't cut it the other way. I don't think it would have been great, because you think like you're cutting it like this, you would have missed out on that. You would have just maybe got a little bit down here. I'm really, really thankful. And it looks like a heart. Love it. But with all three of my cuts at the beginning, I used my brand new Phoenix flashlight to check to see if these were going to be glowers and my theory on if they were going to be showers. Now, this one totally threw me off because look at that. It's a total glower. I didn't expect it to be a beautiful geode agate, but I was right. It is a lot of quartz inside. And I love doing the glower or shower test. This one, I knew that there might be some bands in there because a little bit of that darkness going on, but look at that. Very, very beautiful. And then like I said with this one, there wasn't hardly any glow when you go behind it. Maybe a little bit over here. And I'm pretty excited because I just teamed up with Phoenix and these lights are awesome. They come with a lot of different settings. See? Rechargeable battery. And if you use code, the one I'm probably most nervous about, which is this big Laguna lace agate. I'm going to start off by taking a little chunk off the butt over here. And like I said, I have some plans with these that I'm going to share with you after I make a few of these cuts. But let's peel the band-aid and we'll cut a little piece off of right here. Let's check out, oh gosh, I hope those bands run in. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, it does. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so happy. That's so beautiful. Oh, that is great. I love this piece so much. I really don't want to make any more cuts on it, but I think I'm going to make one more slab off of right here, and then I'm going to be done, and then I can share with you kind of the plans that I have with these as soon as I'm done. Got a really good shaped slab. I'm very happy with that. Oh yeah. Oh, it's even got a little geode pocket right there. That is awesome. Wow. Just get lost in it, you know. Love those bands. Love it, love it, love it. It's so great. Well, let me head inside and I'll tell you what we're gonna do now. Well, we are finally done with our first set. It took a little bit longer than I anticipated. It took me 1 hour, but it was well worth it because they turned out amazing. Here it is. That looks awesome. You can see the light play on that polish that we gave it. I love that this side over here has the beautiful geode pocket and this side has just a little quartz. You can see a little pitting in there. It's trying to be a geode or be a pocket, I guess, but not quite. Not quite. We probably could have ground it out if I went down far enough, but I don't think it would have been worth it. But if you remember when I cut this and those pieces chipped off, I said I had a good idea for it. This is what I had in mind. Sit like little display pieces like that. The next piece that's up in the lineup for polishing is that awesome geode agate. Both halves. The crystals in this is so awesome. I'm gonna just quickly run through it so it's a quick reveal for you. Let me just show you these crystals while they're dry. They are spectacular. So I just shut off my Cab King because I just finished the other set and I got a bonus. The other Coyamito agate I polished as well. I just thought, you know, if these ones don't turn out well, I want to at least do those two. And I know quartz, there is the light agate banding in there, but I know quartz polishes really quick, and it took a really great polish. Those crystals in there are awesome. So happy with that. So far, all the polishes are turning out and look awesome. And this is the one that I wasn't gonna polish. Like I said, last second decided to. It's kind of funky. It's got this other mineral in there that did a little undercutting, but I still think it looks really good. Really pretty agate. It's really unique. Not your traditional banded agate. It's pretty cool, pretty wild. And all of those turned out with really beautiful polishes. Like I said, even that undercutting, I think it looks good. Not bad. So yeah, now this is what my hands feel like right now. Oh my gosh, they're so sore, but it is well worth it. We got through the 280 grit. It fit on the wheel absolutely perfect, and this thing is going to be beautiful when it's done. I am going to whip through 600, 1200, 3000, and 8000. We will show you how this beautiful Laguna lace agate looks when it is all polished with a mirrored finish. Hopefully in about 30 minutes. I think that's what it's probably going to take because it's a bigger piece, but we'll see you then. Oh, well, good news, bad news. Good news, we are all done with our final piece. Bad news, I ended up having to polish it twice, and both times there's one little fracture in it that right when I get towards the end, it like chips a little more, and there's just this little piece that it's the bane of my existence with that piece. But besides that, I am extremely happy with how it looks. Let me turn this around and show you, and I'll show you that little itty bitty fracture that's in there. It's just driving me nuts. So here it is. You can see the light playing on that. Took an awesome polish. It did a really good job. Even like up here, the non-agate stuff up here, that took a pretty good polish. You can see right there, I would get that worked out, and then I'd polish it. I get to 3000 and a little piece would pop out, and I'd go all the way back to 280 and I'd polish it out. It would go away, get back up to 3000, and it popped out again. So I am just going to accept defeat with that. I'm just gonna leave it. This piece is still really pretty as is, polished like that. It just has, and that right there, there is like a little geode pocket that's starting to form there. So this piece as is a really cool piece. It's got a lot of size to it still. So there's some fun that could be had with it. And now that I'm done with all those pieces, I'm going to take them and I'm going to put them up on my Etsy store. I will have that linked in the description box below, as well as the link to that sweet flashlight we used at the beginning of the video, and all the lapidary equipment that I used in this video, my high-tech diamond lapidary saw, my Cap King, all the discount codes that I have for all that stuff is going to be linked below. I just want to say it has been a very eventful session of all of this. It has been so much fun, so much awesome reveals with cutting, and a lot of just fun going through the polishing process. I love it. It's so relaxing, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe or follow button so you can join on future lapidary adventures. I have a lot of fun with it. I hope you have a lot of fun with it. Thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.